Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by creating a canvas that matches the output you need because scaling up later causes pixelation. Choose pixel dimensions first, then set DPI, 300 for print, 72-150 for screens. Once done, inspect brush settings, reduce spacing, increase streamline only slightly, and disable aggressive smoothing. Make sure reference images are high resolution and placed at 100% size. Low-res imports will blur. This step prevents pixel stretching and gives you a sharp base to work on. Now focus on how you paint. Brush settings determine edge fidelity. You need low spacing and appropriate grain set spacing to 15% for continuous strokes and pick brushes designed for high-res work. Use layers to separate line work, colors, and shading so transformations affect small areas only. When resizing, scale at 100% increments or use Liquify for small tweaks to preserve detail. Also rasterize imported vectors if needed. Vector imports can be recomposed to native resolution to avoid interpolation artifacts. Finish by exporting correctly. Pick PNG or TIFF for lossless edges and choose 2 times or 3 times if the design targets high-density screens. If the result is still pixelated, first confirm the original canvas pixel dimensions matched your target, then make sure resampling during export used by Cubic or best quality. If imported images are the problem, replace them with higher resolution assets or redraw at native size. One quick troubleshoot: zoom to 100% to evaluate true sharpness before exporting.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.